I mean, Pastoor, is Swellendam het mooi paaie, né? Like, let me go Northern Cape. Northern Cape is flat, like flat. So when you are getting used to Northern Cape's roads, you only see where the eye can see. There's no up where you can look down and see a nicer place. While when you go down to the Western Cape side, you see mountains. And when you're up the mountain, let's make for argument's sake, when you're on Table Mountain, picture the nice view from Table Mountain. Now you've asked God to give you a smoother road, and you can't see. Like, nice. You can only see against a tree. If a tree is here, you can only see the tree. You can't see the beauty behind the tree.